let's try to solve Leetcode problem 1854, maximum population year. So the problem is very straightforward. We are given a logs of births and deaths. So for example, we have a range. So this is births and this is deaths, and this is births and this is deaths. Yeah. And how do we solve the problem? How can we solve the problem efficiently? So definitely we should not use brute force. Even this is an easy problem, but we should use a medium way to solve the problem. So we are given a starting point and end point. So this is the start point and this is the end point. So this means at the start point, we're gonna count it. Yeah, because this is just birth. Yeah, so we're gonna count it. But at the end point, so this number is gonna be disappeared. Yeah, so at the start point, we're gonna plus 1. Yeah, because we're gonna use a difference array to solve the problem. At the end point, we're gonna use a minus 1. Yeah, because at this one, this person has been disappeared, so we will not count it, so it's gonna become 0. Similarly, for this person, it means here it's gonna plus 1, and this one gonna minus 1, and plus 1 with minus 1. So this is gonna be the first step. So after that, we're gonna accumulate all the values in this range. And then we just need to check the maximum number. Maybe here this number is gonna be 4, and this is 1, 1, 1, maybe 2, 3, or maybe here is 2 or 1. But this 4 is gonna be the maximum number, so we're gonna return this year. Maybe this year is 1995. Yeah, so we're gonna return this year. So now the problem becomes very straightforward. Of course, there are many different ways to solve the problem. So basically, for this kind of problem, we can think about it by using a sweep line, yeah, or we can use a difference array. It's the same idea. Yeah, so the difference array is much easier to solve such problem because it's very straightforward. If we find some problem, it is a continuous sum. Basically, we need to sum up all the values in a range and in this range, and then we don't need to sum up all the values in the range. We just need to record the starting point and the end point. Yeah. So for our problem, because this is a dash, it means at this point we need to minus 1. Yeah. Now let's just try to solve it. I'm gonna prepare an f function. Basically, this is my difference array. Now I want to check what is the number should I set. So it is 2050. It is given, but we need 2 plus 2 because it is a 0 index. We don't need 2 plus 2 because we don't need to use add plus 1. So we just need 2 plus 1. So it's 2051 because it is a 0 index and the maximum number is going to be 2050. So we're going to plus 1. Now we just need to check the start and end value inside of the logs. So f with the start gonna plus equal to 1 and add gonna minus equal to 1. Now we just need to prepare a prefix sum. It's gonna be the list of accumulate with the f. Now we just want to prepare the final result. Yeah, because we just need to return which year it is. So I'm gonna prepare an answer and the result. So the answer I'm gonna set it to be 0 and result to be 0. So the answer is just the maximum number I can have, and the result is my final result. It's gonna be what is the year for this maximum number. So I just want to check that. So for n in 3, so if my number n is more than the maximum number answer, so my result is gonna be yeah. So I need to prepare the year. So I need to use I will be the index and it is the year. So you enumerate with this pre. So if it is more than that, I'm gonna record this year, and I will update my answer because it's gonna be the maximum number. Currently it is n. Now I need to return the final result. So this is gonna be the entire code, as you can see. By using this way, basically, before it is like on square, now it becomes on to solve the problem. Now let me just run it. As you can see, it works, and now let's just submit it to check. As you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. See you next time.